In this video, I'm going to show you how to add integers, and I have a couple rules that can help you remember how to add integers. The first rule is same sign sum. So same signs find the sum. Then when you find the sum, you're going to keep the sign. Same sign sum, keep the sign. Here are a couple of examples. You could think all the way back to first grade when your teacher said, what's 4 plus 6? Well, these are both positive values. 4 is a positive, it just doesn't have a sign in front of it. You could put it there if you want. Positive 4 plus positive 6. Well, the signs are the same, they're both positive. So I'm going to find the sum, I'm going to add them and keep the sign. My answer will be positive 10. Now, when you're in first grade, you probably didn't say the answer is positive 10. You probably just said 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. But now, what if they're both negative? So for example, if I had negative 4 plus negative 6, I'm going to apply the same rule because they are the same signs, negative 4 and negative 6, and I'm adding. Same sign sum, add, keep the sign. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Keep the shared sign, negative 10. Now, what do you do if the signs aren't the same? Let's see. I have a different rule if the signs aren't the same. This rule I call different sign difference. So if the signs are different signs, you're going to find the difference you're going to subtract. But here's where it gets a little bit tricky. You're going to take the sign of the larger absolute value. Now, absolute value just means the value of the number without the sign. Ignore the sign. If that number is bigger, you're going to take its sign. So let's see a couple of examples here. All right. So let's say we have negative 4 plus 10. Well, the 4 is negative, and remember, the 10 is positive. This is its sign. So I have different signs. I'm going to subtract the numbers. Well, 10 minus 4 is 6. All right, I have to think, is it going to be positive or negative? Take the sign of the larger absolute value. Well, if I ignore the signs, I have 4 and 10, and I know 10 is bigger than 4, so I'm going to keep the sign. My answer is 6. Now, what happens if that sign changes? Say I have positive 4 plus negative 10. Interesting. They're still different signs. This is still a positive 4. This is a negative 10. They're different. So I'm going to subtract. Different sign, different, subtract. Okay, well, 10 minus 4 is still 6. But this time, take the sign of the larger absolute value. If I ignore these signs and I look, 10 is bigger than 4, but 10 is a negative. So my answer will be negative 6.